Good day. I'm Peter Estreisen. I'm with Standard Bank. I'm an executive financial advisor, and we work with clients like yourself that are invested in typical money market accounts, or shall I say, interest earning accounts, fixed deposits, 1 month notice deposits, unit trust income funds, or money market accounts. Now, the interest on those investments that you would call it, it's actually just a parking facility for your short-term uh, funds. And if you're seeking investments for a longer term or seeking solutions where you can have proper growth and more growth than what the bank offers you, then I would like to share that with you. The difference between the proposals or the solutions that we want to share with you are that you will not pay income tax on the growth on those investments, and the return on those investments are normally higher than the bank's typical money market rates. So we're going to follow up on this after you watch this, to make an arrangement for a meeting, an appointment, so that we can show you exactly that there are better solutions. You should not pay tax. You should not earn less than what's available in the market. See you soon. Thank you.